जे कर्नाटकातले एक्टिविस्ट म्हादय तांकां जाय म्हूण झगडटात आनी आमचे गोंयचे म्हादय बचाव अभियान जे म्हादय आमचे खातीर साल्वार करपा खातीर झगडटा आज तांचे मदीं आमी ही डिबेट घडोवन हाडटात.
आमी गोंयकार अशें की आमकां जर एक ग्लास उदक मेळत आनी कोणी तानेल्लो आसत जाल्यार संत नामदेवान तशें गाडवाक दिला तशें आमी गाडवाक सुद्दां दिवपाची आमची तयारी आसा. पूण प्रश्न कर्नाटकाचो तो ना.
Everything, every issue raised by the Goa addressed by the Panchayat Tribunal as well as Supreme Court. Again and again, after judgment of the Supreme Court, how the Goa is raising all the issues once again.
There are at least 20 rivers in Karnataka.
Now you are saying that because we have done this to our river, give us your river.
Yeah.
Do you think that's a fair argument?
As far as Mahadayi, Krishna, Kaveri, Karnataka sought its share and rightful share in the all tribunals and Supreme Court. We have got it.
Krishna and Kaveri had natural flow. Mahadai they have diverted the flow, which is unnatural. They should not do it.